Does wealth and abundance seem elusive to you? Does it feel like a distant dream, one that's just out of reach? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we dive into the realm of the law of attraction, a powerful tool that can turn your dream of wealth and abundance into reality. The law of attraction is based on the principle that positive or negative thoughts bring about positive or negative experiences. It's all about aligning your thoughts and feelings with your desires. In this case, wealth. So, how do you use the law of attraction for wealth? It's simpler than you might think. First things first, you need to define what wealth means to you. Wealth is a broad term, and it can mean different things to different people. It's crucial to have a clear, precise definition of wealth in your mind. So take a moment to reflect on what wealth looks like for you. Could it be a hefty bank balance, a luxurious lifestyle, or financial freedom? Once you have a clear picture, you're ready for the next step. Secondly, believe in the power of your thoughts. It's time to tap into the power of positive thinking. Remember, the law of attraction works on the principle that like attracts like. So if you think positive thoughts about wealth, you're more likely to attract wealth into your life. Thirdly, visualize your wealth. This is where the fun begins. Close your eyes and imagine your life filled with the wealth you desire. Visualize your bank balance, your lifestyle, everything you associate with wealth. Feel the joy, the freedom, the security that wealth brings. Make this a daily practice. The fourth step is to act as if you already have the wealth. This isn't about pretending or living beyond your means. It's about aligning your actions with your wealth mindset. This could be as simple as making smart financial decisions, or as profound as carrying yourself with the confidence of a wealthy person. Lastly, be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. Be thankful for the wealth you have now, no matter how small. This positive energy will attract more wealth into your life. To recap, the steps to use the law of attraction for wealth are simple. Define what wealth means to you. Believe in the power of your thoughts. Visualize your wealth. Act as if you already have the wealth. And always be grateful. Remember, the law of attraction isn't a magic wand that will make you rich overnight. It's a mindset, a way of life. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with your desire for wealth. And above all, it's about believing in yourself and the power of your thoughts. So embrace the law of attraction and watch as your dream of wealth becomes a reality.